Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Sketchman Draws. This is Boris. So I have Emily Blunt's picture here, so I'm going to show you a very simple way to approach portrait drawing. And throughout the video, I might be referring to other videos. So if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. I'll post the videos cards on the top right hand corner, because I've already made videos on how to draw faces, how to draw hair, how to draw eyes, noses, mouths, and so on. So they can be handy. So go check them out and give me your feedback. And more than understanding the three-dimensional structure of the head, I just wanted to give you like a simple way to approach faces. Portraits. So you need a starting point. So for me, for example, for some reason, when I look at this picture, I really like that shape. So as you will see in the many different iterations that I'll also do different other versions of other types of portraits. But for the moment, I'm going to start there, right? And I'm going to use that to anchor my drawing. And when it comes to so I'm just drawing the outline of the face. So I'm looking at it more like a mask. I'm looking at the face like a mask rather than a 3D object. Of course, a mask is also a 3D object, but and I think that can help you place the different elements inside. So, okay, now I have the outline of the face. And when it comes to drawing the exact shapes or getting the exact curve, you need to practice, because it will be really difficult to get that specific. So I'm just drawing the rest of the neck, the rest of the body. By the way, if you have any questions or requests, please leave in the comment section below. And I would like to remind people who, any video can be someone's first video. So if you're watching this for the first time, I do free tutorials, online tutorials over Zoom every Sunday. I live in Thailand, Bangkok, Thailand. So it's going to be 2 p.m. every Sunday Bangkok time, and it's online, it's free, and we do a different topic every time, and the people who join in get to decide what the topic for the next meetup will be. So this one that I'm posting now is based on yesterday's drawing workshop. So again, I'll put the video here for my video about hair. So I could give some advice on how to achieve the curve that you want. Just imagine, you might hear me talk about this. Just imagine that you are a sculptor and you're sculpting away the shapes from the white canvas, the paper you're drawing. Okay, even if it's digital, right? So imagine that you are running your hand through that shape. So for example, if I'm drawing these lumps of hair, I'm sort of picturing it in a three-dimensional space. So that helps me achieve that form. So once I have done that, now I can place the different items within the face. So I start with the eyebrows. So they go thick and then they go really thin towards the end there. For the eyes, I just need to please be mindful of the shape of the eye, because every person's eye shape is different. I'm putting a little bit more pressure on the corner of the eyes to show that she's wearing makeup. Another thing when drawing female characters, women especially, is that if you put too many details on the face, you might make the face look older. So be mindful of that. So I'm just flipping it to see if the symmetry, the alignment of the eyes is okay, because, and actually eyes are very important. If you get the eyes, you'll get the portrait likeness. You'll capture the personality of the person you're drawing. So I really like the one leading to another, like for example the eyebrows, and then led to the eye, and then the eye leads to the bridge of the nose, and then to the bottom of the nose, and then from the bottom of the nose you go to the cheek muscles, that the line that creates when you smile, and then from that you see the corner of the mouth, then so you get this. You can develop these beautiful habits, these beautiful rhythms when you're drawing these faces, and it's always nice to get used to that. So again, if you want to experience that, you need to draw, you need to practice. So I'm just going to just add, like, I don't want to add too much shading, but I just felt like that, like on the cheek, adding that will bring something, bring it a little bit closer to the reference picture. So I'm just reducing the opacity here, just to show you again, like so I started with this, the outline of the face. Like I said, I looked at it as a mask. And then I did the neck, the shoulders, and the hair, right? So just to give you a little bit of a process. But this might change. So one of the things is that the drawing, the picture or the subject that I'm trying to draw will tell me how it needs to be drawn. I don't know, so if it makes sense. So if you might understand this if you draw a lot. So a third one, and then I place the elements within the face. I'm going to do another version, semi-realistic, but a little bit more comic booky. Again, I start with that shape that I'm so fond of in this picture. And I didn't realize that I took the pen instead of the pencil, but that's okay. I just continued with it because it just gives another different look. So the reason why I characterize this as a comic booky because you see, like when I drew the eyes, I just drew them almost without the lower lid, right? And it still works. Your brain still recognizes it as eyes. So yeah, so you have a different female character, but with the same basic foundations. I'm going to go even further. I'm going to be even looser and a little bit more even cartoony. I just noticed that I made the nose too big. And by the way, I love Emily Blunt. It's just I wasn't in any way making fun of her, but I just really love this picture. So there you have it. I again just wanted to show you different ways to approach portrait drawing, and I hope you liked it. I hope you learned something. If you have any questions or comments, please leave in the comment section below. Until next time, this is Boris for Sketchman Draws, signing off.